Everything you need to know about maximize conversion value bidding in Google Ads in 3 minutes or less. I'm Jill Saskin-Gales, a Google Ads coach, and we're talking about one of the 4 smart bidding strategies, maximize conversion value. When you choose this bid strategy, you're telling Google that you want it to spend your budget to get you as much conversion value as possible. Now, how does this bid strategy differ from maximize conversions? With the maximize conversions bid strategy, you're just telling Google to get you conversions. With maximize conversion value, you're asking Google to also consider the value of each conversion. For this reason, maximize conversion value bidding only makes sense if different conversions have different values. For example, maybe you're an e-commerce business and you sell some products for $50 and some for $500. For you, maximize conversion value would be great. Or perhaps you're a lead generation business, but you use some kind of scoring system. So when you get a lead, maybe that's worth 1. Once it's a sales qualified lead, it's worth 10. And when it's a customer, it's worth 1,000. Again, if you're setting those different conversion values, maximize conversion value can be great for you. Now, how do you decide whether or not to set a target ROAS? That's the most sophisticated of the smart bidding strategies and a more sophisticated version of maximize conversion value. The key is when you're on a maximize strategy, you're telling Google to spend your budget and then get you that conversion value. So it's going to spend your budget. With a target strategy like Target ROAS, you're telling Google that the most important thing is your efficiency and spending is secondary. So if Google can't hit that target, it probably won't spend your full budget. You're generally going to want to start with a bid strategy like max conversions or max conversion value. And then once your performance data comes in, you can decide if you want to add an optional target ROAS to turn it into a target ROAS bid strategy. In order to use maximize conversion value bidding, you have to be in a search, display, demand gen, or performance max campaign. Unfortunately, this bid strategy is not compatible with shopping. There, you've either got to go manual or target ROAS, no in between. It's optional to use a feature called conversion value rules if you want to set different conversion values according to things like audiences the user belongs to, device, or geographic location. Note as well that the only bid adjustment that will work with maximize conversion value is a device bid adjustment. One last tip for maximize conversion value, it requires more data to learn and optimize than maximize conversions. Because of that, you're probably going to want about 50 to 60 conversions every 30 days. If you're nowhere near that, you might want to stick with maximize conversions for now. Got a question about Google Ads? Let us know in the comments.